Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news.
The son of President Cyril Ramaphosa, Tumelo Ramaphosa is currently dating Cindy Mkhatini and they were caught living it up in Cape Town. This was confirmed by Musa Kawula and posted images of Tumelo and Cindy, captioned, Cindy Mkhatini is dating President Cyril Ramaphosa's son Tumelo Ramaphosa. The new couple were spotted living it up in Cape Town this past weekend. Cindy is a social media influencer. Apparently this is not the first time that Cindy engaging in a romantic relationship with someone in the public eye. She is rumored to have been one of the girls involved with former Minister of Finance Malusi Gigaba. These rumors haven't been confirmed by Cindy Mkhatini and Tumelo Ramaphosa. Please subscribe for more news.